Hey there, I'm Chris, your local connection from Philadelphia to the French Riviera, and I'm standing in front of a historic property that brings the old world charm of Provence into the ease of Riviera living. And I'm not gonna lie, once you step inside, you're never gonna wanna leave. The house itself is pure charm, from the hand-laid terracotta floors, original fireplaces, antique fountains throughout, and the classic cornices that say, yeah, this place has history. But don't let the age fool you. This house is full of modern amenities. It's been totally restored and is easy, breezy for year-long living or seasonal. We're just stepping out now into this lovely veranda / winter garden that functions as a second dining area and leads out onto the sun-soaked terrace with dining dehors in a totally quaint, authentic Provençal setting, basked in the rays of the Côte d'Azur sun. I'm standing outside of the kitchen in an area that is perfect for an apéro. There's no vis-a-vis, it's total peace and quiet here, and even taking advantage of some shade. We're adjacent to the dining area we've just toured, and I'm stepping into the kitchen area, which then leads out into another dining area that is perfect for large gatherings when entertaining family and friends. We've got 5 bedrooms in the main house, 2 at this uppermost level with large windows giving lots of soft light. There's a 3rd bedroom that's slightly more upstairs on a mezzanine level. These bedrooms are all en suite, and this bedroom in particular leads out onto this awesome terrace overlooking the swimming pool. It's just the perfect place to take in the sunshine. Stepping back inside to this bedroom, we notice some of the elegant features of a chic Provençal styling. And this bedroom's traversant, so it goes from the south to the north, where we find this magnificent bathroom that I just adore. Come on in and have a look. This is really one of the coolest parts of this entire house. We're going into the master bedroom. I'm gonna let you lead the way and enjoy these left and right side built-in cupboards that lead up this short set of stairs. And how about this master bedroom? It oozes the authenticity of our region and is the ultimate French Provençal country styling, which at Fine & Country, you can imagine we love so much. And how about these sea views from this private terrace just off of the master bedroom? It's the perfect place to have a bit of extra privacy when you've got a full house of friends and family. The nearby guest house adds even more flexibility. It's got 2 bedrooms, a full kitchen, and that same rustic elegance. Great for friends, extended family, or even a rental opportunity if you want this place to pay for itself. We've just had a look at this separate 2-bedroom apartment. And this little gem over here, it's a private studio that's perfect for a caretaker, an au pair, or just when you need a little bit of a break from, well, paradise. So that makes 8 bedrooms in total in this private estate. Let's go have a look. Here we are in the studio. You've got this quaint terrace area that's totally private, perfect for enjoying a bottle of rosé, and the Provençal styling continues, and extraordinarily. We've got a kitchenette, but in reality it's got everything that you need. I love this wine cellar style shelving. There's a fireplace, perfect for romantic soirees. And you've got your own private bathroom, skylights, and access onto the east side of this lovely garden where we've got vegetables and a beautiful space for entertaining outside. Remember, we've got just under 6,000 square meters of land. For those of you working in acreage, that's about an acre and a half, more or less. We've got magnificent size for this piece of property in this area, which is a real gem. And it offers all kinds of outside entertaining spaces, from this covered area with its flags all ready for the World Cup next time it comes around. And we lead down this pathway here. We've got a vegetable garden on the left, and this leads right back into the main house. Remember, this is the second dining area when you've got a group of friends and guests, family, for larger gatherings. Here we are, dining for 12. Bon appetit. Yep, this is a secret cabana under the trees, a sort of Prohibition era meets French Riviera, and I am all for it. We've got air conditioning when it's hot in the summer and you want to chill out here a little bit further away from the house. This full-size billiards table. We've even got some antique stadium-style seating and just a veritable melange of memorabilia. It's a lovely space. TVs if you want to watch the game, hang out for the afternoon. It's an excellent space to spend. From this poolside patio, we're only 400 meters or a quarter mile as the crow flies from the beaches. If you're looking for a piece of French Riviera history with space and charm and enough space for the whole family and all your friends, this Bastide is shouting your name. Are you ready to fall in love? Let's book your private tour. I'm Chris McGinnis from Finding Country French Riviera and Provence, and can't wait to hear from you. Drop us a like. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a comment. We can't wait to hear from you.